Hi guys, this is the Ender 3D printer. It is printing a very large project. So I thought it would be of interest for many to have a look at how it all starts off. So this is within the first few, I would say within the minute of it having started to print. Just traced out the outlines, and then it is put in the actual first outer boundary of the product itself, which is touching the surface, which is a flat surface. Now let's create this. This is the overall head with the extrusion. Head power supply for the heating filament and the temperature sensor. This whole system is developed on a belt drive. So as you can see, there is a belt drive which moves the platform around. This is the motor system with a closed head which moves the head around. This is a feeding system. So this is a specification under which I am printing right now. I'm using Creality PLA.